Three, two, one.
Today I'm gonna show you how to kill the devil. Kill devil! This is one of the popular cocktail in Havana. Of course, we use a rum Zacapa 23, one of the best rum in the world from Guatemala. And also we have a watermelon and lime and ginger ale. Very easy. First of all, we put 6 pieces of watermelon.
Why six?
It's a number of the. We cannot say that word. Here we go. Fantastic. And a dash of lime juice. Ice. And rum Zacapa. This rum is made directly from the sugarcane juice. And fill up with ginger ale. There you go. Watermelon slide. And now we're having cute. There you go.